him fiddle.
So that road is a lonely road? That road is a lonely road where Ed go down to the hospital?
I don't think that the road is a lonely road.
Which road, Janda?
Busy.
Because them says a lonely road, nobody not really walk, drive by.
Because I'm up to the stoplight.
Up to the stoplight, they're really, really busy. And the stoplight slow. The light take all hours to change. Every time you drive up, you see me broke it. Every time you drive up, you see me broke the stoplight.
And since they make one of the street a one way, and because they make the street a one way at the front where Jayden would take taxi to go home, Ren make right there, so part of it is a one way to go on to the Church Teachers College. So when we actually want to go like Newport way, and so we have to drive around this way at the back corner where Mega Mart is and go around Pert Road if we go up, if we go through lane.
So that's why some people don't want to drive go down in the town then.
Because then change up, then put some one way in it.
All the better why Jayden would have up them where they are wait for somebody. Would have want to go in the town.
Then my friend. Then my friend. And me distance yourself. Make that make sense.
What time? 2:20.
Would that be?
I'm going to pick up my little grandson soon from school.
What phone I use?
They took the phone and maybe give him a new one as a gift.
Yeah.
And then we do anything because they're wicked till. Yeah, manage them.
You would have had for them taking phone and give him a new one just like that, because especially if he been playing games, some of the games them are saved on the phone and some of them are hard for transfer over. Unless he was playing like just a website, a game from just a website where he can connect anywhere. So especially like when he uses phone for mostly games, it would be hard for them to just take him phone like that. Because you would have to download back the apps, them as a think about your Candy Crush. You know what time me last my Candy Crush and me start over?
DJ, why people download them game when they want on their phone? Because them is a game pest. So they don't.
And that may say, so it would have hard for them just take it for a game. So when that's what you would not agree just like that. And people are wicked, man. They chip then take out of the phone and them are do it. You get the chip then take out of the phone. Or switch the chip.
Then if you take out the chip, you can hear WhatsApp, anything on WhatsApp, you can get it.
Yeah, it's still stay there.
Yeah. You don't have to have chip to use WhatsApp.
I like how I have my two phones now. I change from one to the other one. And it's like everything on one phone and the other phone same way. If my phone alarm, the two of them are alarm. Someone said, Jesus, I forgot to try one day, sit down and chill. Because it's not like before when it was hard to switch phones. Right now I just have to bump the two phones together and they communicate Bluetooth and just switch over, put information to the other one.
Then connect the phone to the internet. If then connect the phone to the computer, they will get everything. So the phone where the police them get is not the right phone.
So what about the phone where the police apparently tell Mr. T if you go somewhere else, go open?
Yeah, by them is sitting there. Police no. Yeah, idiot. See the yeah, police yourself. Tap on yourself.
I want to know which police I get phone. But they want evidence out.
Any phone.
Alright, let me get this away. We want to know which police. I go ask the rat for the cheese and get the cheese and give it back to the rat.
And give back. Are we trying them that?
Are we trying them?
Family.
Phone then give him. Then give them the wrong phone. They have the right phone. They have Jayden phone.
Oh, Jesus.
Money and no fool, you know.
Hey, you see now the interview, right? In the interview, you know, she was going to talk something about her police cousin. And that boy then called the yard boss, stop the woman right in her track. saying for the boy I want free. Yeah.
Mr. Tiger, me grieve the part, man.
She was just about to say.
So you know what then? You know what then? That means Yard Boss is also corresponding with those police
Outside his heart?
members.
Oh.
This time we want them put Yard Boss in
One long way you say that.
Talk about the law and file and bring you file and who must get file and all of these
Yard
things.
Boss in the sector.
Okay, I'm gonna go up in a few. The exercise, your mic is not, your mic not mute. Good.
Me?
No, the exercise person, she
Let me tell you something.
what did that error?
Okay.
Let me tell you something. You see, well, I don't know. Probably just me. So when I listen to the interview, I swear to God, everything that screams fake come out of the interview. And if I'm wrong, I'd like God to give me a sign. But everything come out of the interview to me is fake. And I do believe that all these questions that Yard Boss was putting to her, yes, Yard Boss have to do that to make it seem real to the people who don't know real. You understand? Because he could not go there, go ask no other question than the burning question them to us and then think. But you can see that even though she planned to do it, she still was losing her cool. If you listen to it, you can hear she lose her cool. You understand?
Frustrated.
Right, she sound frustrated. Right? And Yard Boss is there, like, I don't know. I don't, if they're playing, they're not playing me. I can tell them that right now. If they're playing, they're not playing me because there's nothing in that interview. And what I said to you yesterday, I've got my 2-year piece in and I listened to it for an hour and 39 minutes. And I did not get one piece of authenticity out of it. Big words, guys. Authenticity.
Big words.
I didn't get that from it. And that's the honest to God truth. I did not get that from it.
Tiger, you back home?
No, yeah, but I have to get some things together first.
Oh.
You know, saying can't get things together though, huh?
Yeah.
Martha Martin played the interview where she talked about the
When you're
Saturday.
ready, you take back your big box from me.
They have the Saturday something. The bed can play the Saturday one.
Tiger.
Thing.
Huh?
Yeah, when she talk about Saturday. What happened to Saturday?
I pack one by the count me.
Yeah.
First.
Pack some innocent to my curl for me there.
Yeah.
Show two dirty girl in there. We no want none of the something the food. The food them name with the people them give.
Moving nice.
You cannot say this. I have to defend you. Shanice, you leave me, make me talk. You cannot dash Mr. T under the bus. I'm not gonna make you do that. You know why the woman talk and the man say leave me, make I talk.
The video one love Fraud Boss.
I don't mean say Yard Boss private the video.
What's got my gun? In black man.
What's it got my gun?
Tell your father. I that adventure same private. It must see now the members only sitting.
Think they want messy now. When name J Progress. When J Progress talk about it.
Oh well, I say in the same day I got black couple people. You must have did the
If you black some away, yes, can we fight with you all them black some away. No, black me, yeah, my friend, can you know, so me and your friend, black some away, do.
Oh, black me, please. Black me.
No way, Yard Boss not fear black nobody. Why am I get so touchy for Shanik never black him when him did a bonar out?
Because
he used to beat Shanik them go and come and see my Nara best of friends now. Same not for black nobody.
The wickedest we are running with. That's why.
So for him black you too? I want for black that then look at him black if you build one room.
You still run out of black, don't worry.
right now.
Got your progress.
Yard bar stage.
Oh, she's a lawyer.
The videos are not there.
I lie. You take off the video them?
See,
Yeah.
it's me. Probably me. Yeah, go bad.
I know you alone, me couldn't find them this morning.
In black, hold on, in black J progress too?
Black, yeah,
Is a black here that go on?
Black.
Me up and me and him
A
now.
house a bill up.
I'm going there.
Black. Look at the rest of you. Look at black. Them finish. Use them.
Come on, J Progress, where you gone?
Me and him no friend.
Don't do me bad.
Who?
Me and your friend are no friend. Me not
Right
follow
till
him.
him take them off. Him take them off. So if you never
Listen to
see
me
it,
now.
you no salt.
Listen to me now, man. Listen to me now, moving
Look
now.
at him black, man. Go over and go look at him black, man.
Oh, no,
Me not see the one with, me not see the one with Shelly.
Movie night.
Look at that.
You're gonna let fraud boss love me boss, you know. Let fraud boss come and my boss, you know. So,
Me screenshot the whole of film something them. So when him black, they know him it will late. Every time we go and watch them, it will just
But you know, say this is this. Yard boss have to stop this. Him have to stop because.
no,
Oh, hold on now.
J Progress, I say no.
Hold on
I
there.
know if you get out.
So you would have had time. They didn't analyze and put one of you put out and all of these things. Where are they? Doris Smith, funny bit. Can you see the videos? Can you see me need to go, what they call it, spec savers? Me probably need to go see spec savers. I don't understand. Last night me get the link. Yesterday evening me get the link to the video. And me do a video, me just do a live last night. Come here, say me don't need to go watch it.
So Specsavers is one of the biggest glass company where we give you eyeglasses and the United kill them. For those of you that don't know.
Come like when people learn the ABC and don't stop saying.
Oh.
So when you say about Specsavers, I just say my go.
So me do a live last
The welcome and say itinerary can be changed. If yard boss know that.
Some points were touched last night in my life and everybody else who have done live based on the topic. So yard boss have to go back to the drawing board. If you listen to me live last night, I said to him as well, go on back to the drawing board. Because what you come with right now no make sense. Where are the videos today? Another plot.